everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk about family, beauty, and everything else in between. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Cool Mom Crystal. My name is Cool Mom Crystal, and if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, if you're new, you should hit the like button. So for today's video, I am going to be doing unboxings of samples that I got today. I don't know when they came. I saw them today. Yes. He likes being on camera. You like being on the camera? Yeah? Yeah, so I'm gonna unbox these. I'm gonna start off with this one since it's tiny. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer. So I guess this is new. I wonder how tiny it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be one of those foil, what do you call it? Like those foil packet samples. Oh, this thing is really glued. Yep, but it comes in multiple colors. It comes in the colors 330 ivory, 360 cashmere, 385 amber, 315 honey, 315 biscuit, 380 pecan, 400 caramel, and 420 cocoa. I think out of all these colors, I'm thinking either pecan or amber is going to be my color. I guess this is what it's going to look like. These are all the samples. You just open it up through here. You take them out through here. From the top, it has like a little thing to cut open. These are all the colors. These are all the available colors. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the big box. Even though it's a tiny box, it feels pretty heavy. Don't touch the camera, thank you. Yes, yes, yes. That might be a firework. But you never know. Anyways, that was scary. I can't open this. It has a little, like, I don't know what they're called. These little sticker, clear sticker tape thingies. Alright, I opened it. Okay. So the first thing in here is the Carefree Active Fresh Odor Control for All Day Freshness. So I guess you could say these are like panty liners. That's what I use this for. These are so convenient because they're so tiny. You just pop them anywhere in your bag. You got a sample of that. It comes with 10. Oh, that's a good sample size. Wow, okay. What is this? Well, these are coupons for Royal Canine. I think it's wet dog food. That is dog food, and then they also have one for cats. What is this? Oh, they sent me a sample. Okay, I hope my dog likes them because my dog's really picky with his food, and the last time we gave him wet dog food, he had like diarrhea everywhere. Which is sad because we had already given him that type of food, and he hadn't gotten sick to it till like this last time. And my father-in-law had actually bought him like a good amount of like little things. It was the Neutro Yeah, with neutral, the neutral dog food, wet dog food, little square thingies. And then I also got a Power Plus Bona Hardware hardwood floor deep cleaner. I'll probably give this to my mom because we don't have hardwood here in the house. My mom does, my parents do. And I guess this is the reason why this box was semi-heavy. This is a can of cat food. So it was from that Royal Canine brand. Thank you. It was from that Royal Canine brand. I'm gonna give this to my brother because he has a cat, so this will be good for them. What are you doing? He likes playing with stuff that he's not supposed to play with. Yes. Yeah, you do. Okay, he said yeah, he does. Anyways, so that's cat food, but first we're gonna give this to the kitty. I'm gonna give it to kitty. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Go ahead and like this video if you liked it. If you didn't, just please go ahead and like it anyways, because that would be nice. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure you stay tuned for my next video, which I'm not sure where it's going to be at, but yeah. Alright, sorry, I just woke up from a nap, which is why my eyes are red. I was so tired from cooking all day yesterday for Thanksgiving. So, yeah, alright, bye!